Hello students. Today we see third lesson, history's third lesson, life on earth. Life on earth. We see 3 points here, formation of earth. Second point, beginning of life on the earth. The animal world on the earth. Okay, let's see first point, formation of earth. There are some questions we all wonder about. There are some questions we all wonder about. For what? For example, how did the earth on which will you come to be? How did the earth on which will you come to be? Next question, when did that happen? When did the earth happen? Sometimes you also think that, yes, na? How did the earth happen? When which will you come to be? When did the earth happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? कभी कभी आपको भी सवाल होता होगा कि ये अर्थ कैसे हुआ है, ये अर्थ की फॉर्मेशन कैसे हुई है. फर्स्ट एनिमल, फर्स्ट प्लांट, फर्स्ट एनिमल कौन सा होगा, कि पहले कौन आया है, जैसे कि अंडा आया या मुर्गी. जस्ट जोक अपार्ट, लेट्स सी द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अर्थ. ऐसे कुछ सवाल आपको पढ़ते होंगे कि ये अर्थ की निर्मित कैसी हुई है, पहला एनिमल कौन सा है, या फिर ये पृथ्वी किसने बनाई, ये कैसे तैयार हुई, ये हम इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे. Listen carefully. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed causes it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. On the basis of scientific research, they believe that around 4 billion year ago, यानी 4.5 billion ago क्या हुआ था? An enormous cloud of very hot gas. An enormous cloud of very hot gas and dust, यानी धूल, spinning at a great speed. That hot gas and dust spinning at a very great speed and was formed in a space. In space, इस space में क्या हुआ था? A cloud of very hot gases and dust spin a very great speed and they are formed in a space. Its circular motion and great speed causes it to divide into several portions. That speed, they circulate in a circular motion. They have a circular motion and have a very great speed that causes they divided into several portions, and that created a sun and the planets which revolves around the sun. तो जब उनकी वो डिवाइड हो गई सम पोर्शन में, तो उससे क्या हुआ? सन फॉर्म हुआ और उसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व क्या हुए? प्लैनेट्स क्रिएट हुए. तो कौन से है देखो, हम देखते हैं. द नेम्स ऑफ दिस प्लैनेट्स, कौन से प्लैनेट्स तैयार हुए हैं? मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. दैट 8 planets are revolves around the sun. One of these is earth. We live on earth. Mercury means Buddha. First planet near the sun is Mercury means Buddha. Mercury planet. Second is Venus. Venus यानी शुक्र planet, शुक्र ग्रह. फर्स्ट कौन सा है जो सूरज के पास है, सन के पास है, वो है मर्क्यूरी. सेकेंड है वीनस यानी शुक्र. थर्ड है अर्थ, जो हम रहते हैं अर्थ, हम अर्थ पे रहते हैं और वो सूरज के थर्ड पॉइंट पे है. फोर्थ इज मार्स यानी मंगल. फिफ्थ इज जुपिटर इज यानी गुरु. सैटर्न यानी शनि. यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. ओके, लेट्स सी सेकेंड पॉइंट. The beginning of life on earth Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of Earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed it. We see here hot gases, dust spinning from the sun and planet. Okay, and that planet are very hot, and it took 80 crore years for its surface. They are hot and they take 80 crore years for cool down and for water bodies to be formed. After they cool down, there is water bodies form. It believed that various kinds of unicellular organism or living things are first appear in water. It is main point. First, when the earth is formed, the first unicellular organism is formed in the water, and they are known as protozoa. It is the main point. First unicellular organism is protozoa. Gradually multicellular living things developed from these unicellular ones. ये unicellular organism से बाद में क्या हुआ, multicellular living things develop हुए. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. The protozoa are so tiny, so they cannot see with naked eyes. Hence means हम उसे ऐसे ही देख नहीं सकते. उसे देखने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? We need a microscope. Means they are so small we cannot see with our open eyes. We need here microscope. Here we complete first point, formation of earth and beginning of life on the earth.